What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our playthrough of Ratchet and Clank. So I finally got an Ethernet cable, so we should be able to play through this planet pretty well. At least I'm crossing my fingers and hoping that it happens. It already seems to be 10 times better. But I guess we'll find out once we get down to planet. Planet Eudora. Come on, Clank. Alright. Let's try this again. Yeah, the last video was a very obvious demonstration of how well my internet works under pressure. Luckily, it works well. Oh, that was a bad jump. Oh, never mind. I honestly forgot what was over here.
By double tapping the triangle button.
Oh, okay. We can quickly switch back to... Oh, there we go. That was pretty easy. Is that the lieutenant guy? Oh, it totally is. Oh. Dude, he just pooed that info bot.
Sure showed him.
I suppose I did.
Yeah, go Clank.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS, Blog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme
I was gonna
Executive
say,
Chairman
the popular boy band?
We here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind boot
He's a big
tester,
fan of K-pop.
Warhead Assembly Technician, Mutant Animal Husbandry, Robot Repairman, Suck Cannon Test Dummy, and Administrative Assistant. So call BTS. Build our weapons while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS today.
Lucky he has BTS's phone number.
Did you see all the cool gadgets they're making? Let's go get some.
No, we must continue our search for Captain Quark.
You're
What a legend.
absolutely right.
I am?
Sure. We need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell him where Chairman Drek is?
I suppose.
Well, we go to the space station and talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is.
I am unsure about your logic.
Ah, you think too much. Come on, let's go.
Are we still searching for Captain Quark, or are we looking for Chairman Drek now? I guess I missed a piece of that, that cutscene. Oh well. Either way, we got, the robot, the infobot to go to the space station. Okay, so my internet's having issues again, even though I'm Ethernetted up. I mean, sure, I had an Ethernet cable plugged in, so it might just be my internet in general. Either way, we're gonna keep playing, because I want to get past this planet. Is this dude gonna run down at me and be a hero? Don't be a hero, dude. Your boss is already dead. Okay, I think I can get the baby glove.
I got
Nope.
some great bargains for
Still
you.
need money. As it turns out, I cannot buy the baby glove. I know it's not called the baby glove, but it shoots out little baby looking guys. Like baby Clanks. I'm trying to remember. There we go. Oh, I wanted to hit this guy so bad. Oh, he's gone. Or pyro sitter. What's up here? Yet another guy. Oh, and the little helper dude. The helper dude gadget's up here as well. You might need to use him later. Or something. I'll make a mental note of that, and then probably forget it 2 planets from now. But it's okay, we made a mental note. Oh, I got him on the throw, on the comeback. Oh, dang it. That guy tricked me. Oh, luckily there's health right here. I'm very excited to play the other games as well. Like I've already told you guys, I've yet to play those other games. I've played this and Ratchet Deadlocked. They're the only PS2 era games of Ratchet and Clank that I played. And I love them. That poor dude didn't stand a chance. Heroes like him should get more credit. Okay, let's see. So we keep going up that way and then around. Okay. I don't remember. I think this is the planet where we also get the what's the I don't know why actually I do know why I thought Chip Skylark. It's not Chip Skylark, it's Skid McMarks. I think this is where we get the hoverboard race planet map as well, which will be great for future endeavors. Wow, okay. Because I'm curious to see if the glitch that I remember from when I was a kid works still. Well, it works in this version. Because this is, I think this is a PS3 updated version of the original PS2 game. Which I'm actually excited that they did. Mostly because I love Insomniac games. I'm trying to throw a grenade at this guy. There we go. Okay, so there's the part back there. Oh, that guy with his sneaky snipes. I'm gonna die. Safety net, safety net. think this was all that was over here, right? Yeah. Oops. That time his zip pun landed him past that box. Alright, here we go. Is this gonna be like the scientist on the other one? I'm going back the way we came. That's okay, it was strategic. I'm coming back for the health. There we go. I wasn't lost, it was strategy. It's pure strategy. Oh, I forgot he could do that. Okay, now I need to climb the stairs. Oh, and would you look at that? More health. It's like I planned this all along. There you go. Oh, that guy's head extended. That was awesome. Oh, sick. We got Glove of Doom ammo, even though we don't own it. Oh, come on, dude. When you're fighting a boss and you totally strike first, but he manages to hit you first. I mean, come on. Okay, we have some health here just in case we need it. Then his buddies are going to come through these doors. Or not, and I just threw a ton of bombs for no reason. I thought they were going to. I thought he had friends. I felt like I was... I don't know, I have a very vague memory of being in a room like this in Ratchet and Clank, and then there being 3 guys coming out of it. Oh wow, I didn't mean to grab that ledge. That works swimmingly. Here, let's try shooting these guys. Got him! Here, let's switch back to Bomb Glove for these guys in there. I like that guy. Oh, the suck cannon is right there. I don't know what I was thinking. Yes. This is one of my favorite things about...
Gadgetron's suck cannon can vacuum up multiple enemies, then fire them out as high-caliber missiles. Caution,
Very
enemies
sucky.
must be small enough to fit inside.
We got a trophy. So we can't vacuum up everybody. We can vacuum up some of the guys. If I remember right, you can continue, as long as you continue doing the suck cannon suck, then you can keep on sucking at guys. Oh, that was a bad move. That's entertaining. Well, I think I know which way we're... I know how to go where we need to go. Because this is basically where we were. So we'll buy the Glove of Doom and then go to the space station. next. Because I think we've done everything we can here for now. We'll return for the gold bolts later. I'm going to buy this before I go. Okay. We have full ammo on that. Okay. Sick. Switch back to the bomb glove for our adventure. So for our adventure for right now. Enter ship. We'll continue to go down the line. Do that one, that one, that one. We just did that one. All right, here we go. Explore the space station. I'm starting to get really tired of this little message from the Wi-Fi. Oh, the Blarg station. Whenever I see the word Blarg written out, I think of that dude in Star Wars Episode 1 who crashed into the wall during the pod race. The dude that just goes Blarg and then he blows up. Oh, I did not expect these to have bolts in them. Okay, let's see. Which way do we want to go first? We'll go whatever way we can, I guess. The only question is, do we want to play as Clank first? Yeah, let's be Clank. Let's start as Clank. I also plan to play Secret Agent Clank as well. Like, even though I read that Ratchet... Oh, what is it? Whoa, he almost fell off. Ratchet and Clank size matters, and Secret Agent Clank technically aren't canon to the story. I want to still play Secret Agent Clank because I want all the Ratchet and Clank goodness. Okay, let's see. Is there anything up here besides... Okay, there's nothing up here besides just a bunch of wires. Oh yeah, gotta get this crate. I'm very excited to get to Rift Apart.
Jump, then press and hold the X button again while in the air to glide.
But I love these games so much. Up your arsenal. Let's see, what's up to this one? I don't think it's up your arsenal. I think the next one is Going Commando. I think it's this one, then Going Commando, then Up Your Arsenal, and then the PS4 one, which will be great because once we get to that era, we can just download it. Oh wait, no, there's Full Frontal Assault, and... Oh, what's the other one? There's another 4-player one. And then after we finish this series, we'll do the God of War series. Just because I'm excited about getting to play the more recent God of War games. Like God of War 2018 and God of War Ragnarok. And I will get back to my Super Smash Brothers characters playthroughs, because I want to keep doing those. Those are fun. I just got sidetracked and super busy all at the same time. So we have We have plenty of time to do that.
You have just activated a Gadgetbot. To command a Gadgetbot, hold down the triangle button and select Wait, Follow, Attack, or
Attack my men. Oh, I guess they can't see him yet. There we go. And then I think if one of them dies, we just go back. Which is fine. Oh. He grappled the chair. Clank, the real legend. I'm trying to remember what that thing is. It might be the Hydro Displacer. That's what it looks like. We're getting all the gadgets immediately. Way to go, Clank. Oh, when I was a kid, I thought that was the
the
coolest thing.
Gadgetron Hydro Displacer
Yep,
uses
there it is.
Insta faucets and Insta drains. Using it, you can drain and fill pools. Our sensors do not detect any on this space station.
Yeah, that would be kind of odd. It'd be kind of odd if they had water in a space station. But I guess you never know. Almost ran off again. Alright, I guess we'll go back and play as Ratchet again. See what Ratchet has to offer. Because I think that's really all we can do with Clank for now in this game, in this part of the level.
I'm back,
So you are.
and I found this.
Hey.
He just pulls it out of his
cool.
stomach.
It's a, what is it?
A hydro displacer.
Great. I always wanted one of those. I guess.
Oh, there's a grind rail up there. I also want to play Insomniac's exclusive.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Oh, we got to get the Taunter.
Did you know you can place any gadget or weapon on your quick select? Just
Yeah, we'll do the bomb gloves. You know what? I think we're gonna go here first. So I think this is the blow-up
this
ship.
shuttle has an autopilot which will take you to a decommissioned Blarg warship. Our scanners indicate that there may be useful technology on board.
Okay. We'll board the warship. See what's over here. This space shuttle kind of reminds me of the underwater levels in Sly Cooper. Sick. Got him. Yeah, I came. A little bit. I just don't want those dudes getting in the way when because I think this is the ship that we board that ends up almost blowing up after we get the infobot. Here, we'll take this one. Go, my minions. Go again, my minions. Oops. Oh well, they can just hang out with me. Push the shiny red button. The big red shiny button. Oops.
Thank you for selecting our automated self-destruct feature. Vessel annihilation sequence initiated. Please remove all personal belongings.
All right. Ow. I'm trying to run, guys.
Perhaps you didn't hear me. This vessel will self-destruct. Boom. In a matter of seconds. Please evacuate.
I heard him. Heard him loud and clear. Got the info bot, which is what we were looking for. Hi, buddy.
This is Darla Gratch.
The
reporting
hoverboard
live
races
from Blackwater
City.
We've just learned that Captain Quark will be presenting the grand prize at the Intergalactic Hoverboard Championship, which will be held here over the next few days. In related news, this planet has recently been suffering from an infestation of strange amoeboid creatures. The city's administration has assured this reporter
getting a shot on
that
TV.
every step has been taken to eradicate these nuisances. Darla Gratch, Channel 2 News.
Did you see that?
Yes, I hope that poor woman is all right.
She's fine, I think. I was talking about the hoverboard races.
I think this is one of my favorite things about this game. When you have low health, Ratchet just looks super tired. Utterly wasted. Okay, we need to pull out some ammo or some weapon that's gonna actually do us well. Come on, friends. This dude dies to a bomb glove, which is great.
Need a little help with these enemies? Try your taunter.
I don't know that the taunter will do anything to these guys in particular. They look like they deserve to be in Osmosis Jones. Oh, I died. Alright. Now that we're back at full health. Whoops. That was a total accident. I thought he was going to do a backflip. I think besides the Rhino, I think my favorite weapon in this game is just the rocket launcher. It's just so good. You can't go wrong with a rocket launcher. Alright. Let's see. What do we have left? Okay. We just gotta get the grind boots. Oh, there we go. I did not remember that there were dudes in there. Glad I decided to use this gun, though. I just wanted to blow up all the boxes pretty quickly. Okay. So everything's going according to plan. I think I actually need to go up there. Oh, I need to go back. That works. Yeah, I think we'll finish off this planet and then end the video there. The last guy almost got me. Okay, please. There we go. Now I actually have to be careful. There we go. Yeah, there. Swing shot, baby! That dude did nothing. And I'm grateful for him for that. Okay. Glove of Doom this guy. Might as well Glove of Doom this guy too. Ow. Probably should have paid more attention to that. Let's give him the suck. These dudes kind of remind me of those little goblin monsters from the Spider-Man Chronicles movie. Those dudes are just stuck on the ceiling. We'll let them have their honeymoon. Oh, he's got me. Please throw the bomb. Thank you, Ratchet. Okay. We gotta use the taunter at least once on these guys. It didn't work. There we go. Excuse me. Get him, fellas. What do you got for me? Oh,
Hi there,
a bunch of
Fuzzball.
ammo. Nice. I was aiming for that. That's good to know. We'll throw one in there too. Have fun, fellas. Oh, there's a gold bolt in here. Nice. Got one. Hey. Oh, and there's a little controller guy in here too. We gotta get the controller guy helmet. Go, my minions. Take them. It is your destiny. Oh, sick. Oh, I only have 2 left. Oh, I wasted them. That's okay. I think this is a boss battle where I just fight that giant one of them. Yeah. Which is why the Glove of Doom is a good thing to have here. Come on, you guys. Ow. Get him. Okay, I need to swap weapons. I guess we'll go with the bomb glove. Go, go, go. Yay! Boss defeated.
Thought I was a goner this time. Some nano-wit in genetics must have left the cages open again.
Hello, science guy.
Honestly, a gadget engineer deserves a bit more respect, if you ask me.
So, you are an inventor.
Gadget engineer. I create revolutionary devices for Executive Chairman Drek. For instance, Viola. My soon-to-be patented grind boots. Look, I need to get out of here so I can find a new job. How about I sell you these? At cost.
Sell? After we just saved your scrawny butt?
All right. I'll give you the employee discount, too.
2,000? Oh, yeah, we can buy them.
Thanks. I'm gonna get out of here while I still can.
He's gonna take the weird ship. Thanks, dude.
You've got the grind boots. Grind boots let you travel on rails like this. Just jump onto
Like
the
this.
rail and grind.
Like that one. Oh, yeah, there's a jumping mechanic, isn't there? Yep. Oh, and a swinging mechanic. This is sick. Go, Ratchet, go. Go, Ratchet, go. Back to our ship. Alright, time to get to Blackwater City. You coming, Clank? And then I think that's where we'll end this video. Rilgar. Win the hoverboard race and locate Captain Quark. And off we go! I can't wait until we get a new ship. Because I can't remember if the new ship means faster load times, but I don't know. It's been forever since I played this game, so I wouldn't know. Alright. Time to save and quit. We made it to Rilgar. And guess what else? The Ethernet cable came in clutch. Just like I hoped that it would. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this lovely installment of our playthrough of Ratchet and Clank. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, no matter what time it is and in where you're at when you're watching this. Take care. Love you guys. Bye.